Hi guys, good morning. This is Peggy Skincare. Please subscribe to my channel. If you're here for the first time, turn on your post notification bell. That way you get updates whenever I post any new videos. So as you can see, I'm set already. I want to go to the store, so I'll be using special products. Okay, the moisturizer and the power essence, the serum. Okay, yeah, so that's what I'll be using just to keep my face glossy. So this is a moisturizing Snail all-in-one cream. So I love the way it feels on the face. Okay, it leaves you glossy all day. Yeah, so glossy all day. So I'm not using much, so that is it. And then my power essence, mixing both of them together, you can see. Sorry, I'm outside, it's noisy, so I'll let it sit for a bit before applying my my sunscreen. So this is a Korean series. Is that it leaves your skin, you know, deeply hydrated and glossy, gives you this glass skin. All right, so let's use our sunscreen. Here is my Dr. Rachel SPF 60. It's an anti-aging sunscreen. It moisturizes the skin. So I'm going out, even though I won't be going under the sun, so don't mind the redness. It's going to calm down. All right, it's really going to calm down. Yeah, so I'll be using my pink lips balm made by me. This brightens the skin so good. If you're having dark lips, it's actually very good. I love it. You just need to take a little of it. Yeah, these are the only thing I just used this morning because I just feel like using products on my face. Usually I don't like going out with products on my face or my skin. For my skin, I've not used anything apart from my glow oil. I use my glow oil. Like I said, my glow oil is super moisturizing. It glows the skin. It contains sunscreen in it. It glows the skin, gives you this deep moisturizing and smells so heavenly. So I call it glow oil or attraction oil. For those that have been using my attraction oil, let me know, guys. You know how it feels on the skin. It doesn't darken you. It contains good skin benefits that will leave your skin glowing, brightening the skin, and also glows your skin. Deep moisturizes your skin, doesn't darken your skin. So that's the benefit of my glow oil. That is just what I use during the daytime when I'm setting out. Okay, so I didn't use any whitening products on my skin aside just my brightening glow oil that glows the skin, leaving my skin. By the way, I installed this hair myself. I'm also, you know, trying to learn in my salon how to, you know, do installations, nails. I'm also undergoing a tutorial in my salon, how to you know, make nails and so on, and hair. So yeah, I want to know a whole lot of things. Yes, I hope I'm good. So I'm letting the acid touch my face. That way, you know, it's going to dry me out. You can see the glow. So forget about this redness. It's going to calm down because, you know, I just stress my face. It will really calm down. I hope you like the glow. So So guys, if this video is helpful, share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you've not already done so. See you some other time. Bye.